Action.
Hi guys! We're back. So anyway, we're gonna paint the sides and the floor a little bit better. And then we'll add some flowers. See how we add a heart and it got messed up. I know. So we have some green paint. We're gonna paint the bottom. So what we have to do really quick is you know how you still Scrabble? Pink crayon? Not a crayon, huh? Leave below in the comments if paint is crayon or not. Do not cry. Not cry. If you don't have a comment, like when somebody's house that has a comment, like Frank's house that has a comment, and sign it. So your friend can watch the videos and tell them what happened on some of your videos. Bye-bye. Anyway, just to tell you, my name is Destiny Johnson. Yes. My first name and my no! It got me. That was huge. That is humongous. Full again. That was huge. Okay. What's this? And we're gonna get all the shots. So, and then next we're gonna have Bedford House paint, and it's huge and ew, here. And let's see if it has a strange on the other one. And even in the previous video, guess what? We already hanged up as our birdhouse. That's exciting. Okay, let's gonna see what I'm gonna do this side. Okay, I got every single color on the house.
Bananas up here, you got oranges. This movie star.
Yeah. I'm gonna see young guys. So this is already dry and that's great. Oh my gosh, the water. Water. Feels like the water turns green. Look at it. Oh gosh, it's gonna be exciting. In one of our videos, we're going to be painting, but not with the paper. We're going to be painting brush, comb, and everything. Yeah.
I asked to part myself last night, the whole picture of margaritas I made. Have a buzz on. Shit, and I looked at the tequila bottle, no wonder. Took on 2 shots.
For the whole picture.
Yeah.
Before drink a half a shot and glass.
Yeah.
Woo! Going crazy.
So we're
Damn, girl, you hold your liquor pretty good.
Yeah. Don't give me a real drink.
Right.
You have similar teeth to shine. Even the people who are not cry over. be one of my best friends. Yay! It's good. Give me water. Oh my gosh. Am I straight? Or am I looking that? Am I looking that way? Because if I actually later for the wait. I think let's go. Let's go. Other side, we're gonna go right. Ooh, what's that purple? It looks so good. I mean, it almost didn't taste so good. So maybe. I need to put back in. It's gonna be purple water. It's turning blue. Okay, what do yellow? Yellow. Cry. I didn't really cry. Is that Jeremy? I can't touch it. Okay, let me play with the water. This color. To say at we are done already with two bird houses. You know, do a bottle. I'm a dude. Ole, Coca-Cola. I did it. So yummy, mommy.
Don't forget, Jeremy, we'll ask some bush people tonight.
Okay, what's your name tomorrow?
I think 8, I'm not for sure.
Can't use that one. What's your arm? And it. Okay, you wanna get it? Fight for it! Yeah, you can't reach. Yeah! Ow. Chocolate glitter! I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding chocolate. Okay, I'm gonna need to get up. Ugh. Give me up. You're on the bicycle. I'm on the tricycle. Damn teddy bear! You should get on this side of the blood. Ow, 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 ow! I got a blood belly. I got a blood belly. I got a blood belly. Oh, 1 second. One. I show you some options for animals. You can subscribe. You can subscribe. Ted's birthday is tomorrow. You can subscribe. Nia. Mia. She loves birthdays. Or you can subscribe. Petra. Petra has the same birthday as Fever. And Meow Meow. Her birthday's well, her birthday's today, so subscribe. Today is crap, and tomorrow, and guess whose birthday already? This one, and it was yesterday. You subscribe now, you'll be able to see what we had last time, but I didn't really cover it. Bye! I'll see you later, and as soon as my birdhouse dries, then I'll push the button. Bye! And today was a painting day.